Hi, I'm Chef Johnathan Helmy, owner of Honest Abe Foods and Braised Gods. Today I'm going to be showcasing a chicken dish with Rebel Foods chicken and some fresh ingredients from my garden. Look at this dude, right? I don't even want to cook him, I want to preserve him. So we have our oil, we're going to add a little generous coating. So we'll have our onions, our shishitos, and our carrots. We'll go ahead and hit this with a little bit of fresh ground pepper. I wish you had smell-o-vision through this camera right now because the aromas that are coming off of this pan. Now we're gonna transition into chicken time. Very last thing we're gonna do to the vegetables is we're just gonna add a little bit of honey. This will be a nice little sweetness factor. So we're gonna go ahead and flip our chicken, getting a nice little char on there, a little bit of color. The chicken's almost done cooking, so before it finishes it, we're gonna take the chicken out and all this curdled yogurt, we're gonna add that into our veggies. And there you have it, Middle Eastern yogurt grilled chicken. Beautiful mix of flavors, beautiful mix of garden herbs. I'm Chef Johnathan Helmy, owner of Honest Abe Foods and Braised Gods. Thank you for having me out here today.